A very warm good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, I welcome you all in digital class of biology. Students, today I would like to start with my new chapter, that is improvements of food resources. But before that, I would like to motivate you all with the beautiful sayings of Lord Krishna. डियर स्टूडेंट, लॉर्ड कृष्णा सेज दैट प्रार्थना हमें ऐसे करनी चाहिए जैसे कि सब कुछ ईश्वर पर ही निर्भर है, बट काम हमें ऐसे करने चाहिए जैसे सब कुछ हम पर ही निर्भर है. सो स्टूडेंट, यू नीड टू डू योर कर्मा with full devotion. Okay, I hope so that you have understood the deep meaning behind this beautiful thought. So with this I would like to start with my new chapter. Student, the name of my chapter is improvement of food resources. Student, in this earlier part of this chapter is deleted, okay, for this year due to COVID-19. Okay, and the thing that is in your syllabus, it is animal husbandry. Okay, so what is this animal husbandry? Okay, student, husband is someone who take care of ourselves. Okay, so here we need to take care of our animals. So simply, animal husbandry is the scientific management of animal livestock, which include, okay, in that we need to take care of their feeding habit, breeding and disease control. Students, further animal farming, it is of different time. Okay, in this we will study about cattle farming, about poultry, about fish farming, about beekeeping, okay, with the passage of time. But for today I just take one farming, that is cattle farming. We all know that maximum of people here we have cattle with us. Okay, so why we keep cattle at our home? Okay, student, most of us we keep cattle for the production of milk. Okay, and those who have farm, okay, they keep that that cattle for the labor purpose. Okay, those cattle which produce milk, they are known as milch animals, whereas those which are used for labor purpose are known as draught animals. Student, also if I talk about the production of milk, it depends upon the duration of the lactation period. Okay, student, the period of milk production after the birth of the calf is there, that is known as lactation period. Okay, there is lactation period in case of your human being also. Okay, student, in this what happen, milk production, it will be increased by increasing the lactation period. Okay, here what happen, foreign breeds like I can talk about Jersey and Brown Swiss. Okay, they have long lactation period, means they can produce milk, okay, for a longer duration of time after the birth of their calf. Clear? Whereas if I talk about local breeds such as Red Sindhi and Sahiwal, they are resistant to diseases, and when we do cross breeding of these two breeds, okay, we get the good quality product. Understood? Student, here we need to take care of the feeding habit of the cattle, that they must contain, okay, roughage which we provide to our cattle, it must contain fiber along with the protein and various other nutrients. If I talk about that how we can take care of the diseases of the cattle, okay, we need to keep the condition in which they are living in, means hygienic. Okay, and we need to provide them vaccination from various viral and bacterial diseases. Student, this table is very important for your various competitives also. Okay, here there are milch breed, draught breed and general utility breed. Okay, milch breed means that breed of cattle which yield milk. Okay, that is Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi and Deoni. Okay, they all are Indian breeds. Okay, Gir we found in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Sahiwal in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Red Sindhi in Andhra Pradesh, Deoni in Andhra Pradesh. Similarly, draught breed. Okay, those cattle which we use for draught purpose, okay, for labor purpose, those are Malvi, Nagiri, Halikar and Kangayam. Okay, they also found in different states of India. Last, general utility breed, okay, which is used for both purpose. Okay, Ongal, Kankraj and Tharparakar. Okay, they are also found in different states of India. Student, if I talk about the percentage of nutrient in the milk, okay, of cow, okay, cow contain 3.60 fats, okay, whereas protein in this is 4, sugar 4.50, mineral 0.70, water is 87.20, vitamins B1, B2, B12, D, E, these vitamins are there, okay. So and egg, meat, fishes, various nutritional values, okay, of the products which we get from animal is given here. You can go through this, okay. Okay students, so with this I finish my today's lecture. It was very simple, but if still there is any query, please feel free to call me. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.